The Siri app is available on all Apple devices, so you can sync your previous Siri conversations across all your devices. If it's not working on your iPhone, here's how to fix it. First, enable Siri syncing with iCloud. Open the Settings app. Tap your Apple ID at the top, then open iCloud. Under Save to iCloud, tap See All to expand the list. Scroll down, tap Siri, then turn on the Sync This iPhone toggle. Wait a few seconds to a minute for the sync to finish. If you've chosen to keep your Siri conversations forever, all of your previous conversations will appear in the Siri app. Now, open the Siri app and check your conversation history. That's it. To start a new conversation, tap the Compose button in the bottom right corner. That's it. If the software is glitchy or something isn't working properly, check for a new software update. Open the Settings app, tap General, then Software Update. Download and install any available update to fix possible syncing issues. If it's still taking too long to sync because something is stuck, force restarting your iPhone has helped some users. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button. Next, press and hold the side button until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. That's it. Enter your iPhone passcode and check whether syncing has started in the Siri app. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.